So I'm working on this 1948 Allis Chalmers B. The engine is stuck, and I have stripped it down just to where I have the valve cover off. But looking under here, other than just being a little grungy like you would expect it to be, I don't really see any rust or corrosion. So I'm thinking maybe that's a good sign. Next step, I'll carefully loosen up the head bolts, and then I'll pull the head off, and I'll be able to see inside the cylinders and see exactly, hopefully see exactly what is stuck. So here's what it looks like with the head off. This is the rearmost cylinder, number 4. And given that it is not holding any of the kerosene and ATF that I put in there, I'm guessing that it is not stuck. Number 3 is holding, so good chance that one is stuck. Number 2 is also holding, so it's a good chance that that one is stuck. And number 1 is not holding, so there's a good chance that it is not stuck. So what I'm going to do is get this penetrant out of here with a rag or something, and then see what things look like. So here I have the kerosene and transmission fluid soaked up out of the cylinders, and I've wiped them out a little bit. Number 4, of course, looked pretty good. Number 3 is a little bit rough. I don't know, I'm kind of standing in the light, I'm sorry here. Number 2 is probably the roughest. It's got some rust towards the top. And there's number 1. None of them are perfect. I am actually going to try to just get this engine running, or unstuck first and then running, but these engines apparently are fairly rebuildable, because these, as you can see, all of the cylinders have sleeves. You can actually just replace the sleeves and you have a brand new cylinder again. So anyway, I'm going to concentrate on number 2 and number 3 and see if I can get them to move. I'll just take a block of wood and a mallet and see if I can just knock them loose. I just want to show you I'm already making progress. This is about less than 5 minutes worth of effort, and you can see I've gotten the number 2 piston down about 1/2 inch, and about the same with the number 3, and of course number 4 and number 1 came up a little bit at the same time. So I think this looks promising, that I might have a chance of winning the battle. So I got it drove down even farther. You can see there's a kind of a rusty ridge right along in there in both of these cylinders. I'm going to try to clean that out there with some Scotch-Brite, and then I might actually use a cylinder hone before I try moving them back up the other way. I'm just going to show you, I was using, to drive it down, I was just using this hardwood block and about 1.5 pound ball peen hammer, and that did the trick. So here's how the number 2 and number 3 cylinder look after a little bit of honing. They're not perfect, but there's no rusty ridge on there anymore, and I think it'll be acceptable. So I also honed the number 4 cylinder and the number 1 cylinder just a little bit, just to clean them up. I think they'll be fine. So here's what it looks like unstuck.